House by Esquissos, Arquitectura e Consultoria in SINTRA, Portugal. Taking its integration with the natural surroundings as a starting point, the concept was based on the intention that the built mass would appear in the middle of the plant mass. Its architectural lines result in a contemporary interpretation of a gabled building, similar to the building previously present on the site. One of the main points in the design was to guarantee the maximum relationship between the interior and exterior. This is achieved through porches, gardens, balconies, and large openings. In terms of materiality, a white volume was used with negatives resulting from the modeling of the object, defining balconies and porches. It is also expected that natural vegetation, such as climbing plants, will eventually envelop the building, creating a space that is changeable depending on the seasons. All spaces have a strong connection with the outside. The private areas of the house are located on the upper floor. We once again emphasize the relationship with the surroundings, through balconies in all rooms.